Hello, dear children. Hope you are safe and healthy at home. Today, the purpose of making this video is little special because this video is specially only for St. Agnes High School girls. Last year, the way you used to write your unit test online in Google Form, this year we are not going to continue that way. This year, the writing and the way of writing answer is little different. That is why I am making this video, which will be useful for you all to understand the process, how to write and how to upload your paper. Okay, I will show you in this video with the both the ways by using laptop and using mobile. How can you give the unit test paper? Okay. So stay with me. If you like this video, share this video with all the Agnesians because it will be useful for them for writing the unit test paper. Not only unit test, from here onwards all the papers. Okay. So let's start the video. Same as last year, this year also the question paper will be posted on your respective Google Classroom only. You have to join your Google Classroom link on time which is given by your class teacher. Okay, first I will show you how to solve your paper or how to write your paper from the laptop. As you'll open your laptop, your Google or your Chrome, you will find this screen. Then you have to go on those nine dots, and when you click on those nine dots you will find your Google Classroom. Okay, and you have to open the classroom. Let it open. You will find your Google Classroom and you have to open your Google Classroom. As you open your Google Classroom, you will find your respective class. Okay, over here this is just my demo class I have made. So you have to click on your class. Then you will find the unit test which you will be given there. First unit test. This is demo unit test. You have to click on it. As you click, you will find one Google document which will be there, and you have to click on that Google document. That will be, as you click on it, your question paper will open. Okay, you have to read the question paper, you have to see it properly, read it properly, and you have to solve the paper. Now, where you have to solve it? For this, you have to take one Fullscape sheet. Okay, on that Fullscape sheet, you have to draw like this, which you used to do before, but from last 1.5 years you have forgotten. You have to make date column, subject column, then name, roll number, standard and division. Okay. Subject you have to write what whichever subject is there. Name you have to write name, first name and surname. Roll number you have to write in 4 digit. I hope you know 4 digit roll numbers. If not, you can ask your class teacher. And then standard and division. Like this you have to write on that Fullscape sheet, and after that below it you can start writing your answers of your paper. Okay. Once you finish writing the answers, you have to click photo of that answer sheet and you have to transfer those photos in your laptop or computer. There are different ways that you can transfer those photos in your laptop or computer. You can download it to the Google Drive, or you can copy it in a pen drive and then copy in your laptop. Okay, because when you have to upload from the laptop, it is must that you have to copy those images in the laptop and you have to save it in your laptop. After saving those photos in your laptop, you have to upload it. For uploading, you have to come on the again on the question paper where you had clicked and found it. There you at the right side you will find your work, and you have to upload from there. If it is in the Google Drive, you have to click on Google Drive. If it is saved in your laptop or computer, you have to click on File. Okay, click on File, then it will ask to browse. Okay, again it will ask if it is in your drive, okay, or it is upload. So you have to click on browse to upload, to search that file. So wherever you have searched it, it will take you over there. As you will click on the file, it will start uploading it. Once it will upload, it will process, and the process finish, and then you will find the option turn in. Then you have to click on turn in. Once you will click on turning, you will find the message that this is for the unit test. You are going to turn in your paper, and then you have to turn it. And once you finish turning it, you will find the paper which you have uploaded. You can see the screenshot, and then you will find unsubmit. Once you get this message, it means your file is uploaded and you have easily uploaded your paper. Okay, so this is the complete process to upload the paper from the laptop. Now I will show you the process from the mobile, how to upload it. From mobile also it is very simple. You have to go in the Google Classroom app. When you will open, you will find your respective class. You click on that class, and once you will click, you will find this unit test paper over there with the Google documents. You have to click on that first unit test, and as you will click, your question paper will open in front of you. When the question paper will open in front of you, you can read the question paper and then start solving it. Same as I had showed on the laptop, you have to take a full script sheet. You have to write all those name, roll number, class, subject, date and everything. And then you have to start writing your paper. Okay, and once you finish writing your paper, you have to click photo from your mobile. Once you click photo from your mobile, that photo will remain in your mobile only. Okay, so you don't have to transfer it or copy paste anywhere. It will remain in your mobile. Then you have to come back on the question paper page, and then below you will find add work. Okay, once you click on that add work, you will find many options over there, and then you can click on upload. Okay, once you click on upload, your photos will be there in front of you, what photos you have clicked. Okay, so then you select your photo of your answer sheet and upload it, and it will take little time to upload. And once it will upload it, the screenshot you can again see as you had seen in the laptop. The screenshot has come, so you can understood ki nahi, your paper is uploaded. And then you have to hand in. Click on hand in. It will again ask that one attached document is being handed in. And then once you will get unsubmit, you will get this message, your work is submitted. And when you find unsubmit or below tab below, it means your work is done. Okay, so uploading for picture of your answer paper is compulsory. Once you finish writing your paper, you have to upload your paper. If you don't upload your paper, then you will not get any marks. Okay, after uploading the paper, you have to take teacher's permission before leaving the class. You cannot leave the class. And once you finish your paper, all the papers, then you have to keep all your answer papers in one envelope. On that envelope, you have to the big envelope, and you on that envelope you have to write your name, full name, your roll number, your class, and then one particular date will be given to you. On that day your parents will come to school. There will one box will be kept over there in the school, and you have to just keep your envelope in that box. Okay, and there is no option of changing the paper. What paper you have uploaded, only on that you will get marks. You cannot change, make any changes in the question answer paper. If you make any change in the answer paper, any cancellation, anything, and if you find any difference between what you have uploaded and what you have submitted to the school, you will get 0 marks. Okay, so don't do cheating, because what paper you are uploading, same paper we should find in your envelope also. Okay, so this is the complete process of the paper, the way you are going to write the papers answers in the exam from unit test onwards. Okay, hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Otherwise the teachers are also there, you can ask them also. Thank you so much.